Want more accurate colors by setting a custom white balance on your Canon camera? White auto balance doesn't always nail it, but a custom setting fixes that quickly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set a custom white balance. Let's get it done right now. Method 1. From the Q menu. First, turn on your camera. Then press the Live View button. It looks like a camera icon with a red dot on it. Now press the Q button. Next, use the arrow button. Or you can use the touchscreen to select the white balance icon. It looks like a small rectangle under the back icon. Then press Set. Now look at the below. You'll see more options like Auto, Daylight, Shade, Cloudy, and more. Choose one of them which styles that you like. Then press the Set button to save it. Method 2. From the main menu. Turn on your camera. Then press the menu button. After that, click on the right arrow button to go to the second camera icon tab. Here you can find the custom white balance option. Click on it. Now choose the photo you just took as your reference. Then press the Set button. And that's how you set a custom white balance on your Canon camera. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.